inside the German club in Miami. This is where we're going to be taking a look at the birds that are inside. So this is a Friday in the afternoon here, around 3 o'clock. And they've got the color section set up already, and they're doing the judging of the color canaries today. And they'll be doing the judging of the type canaries, or I should say I will be doing the judging of the type canaries tomorrow. So they've still got birds coming in, and so we have a few people chatting, just waiting to see how some of this is going to go. And this is the inside of the German club right now. They have their trophies over here. So they have quite a selection and some rather humongous trophies. So you can see where a few people will be going home happy at the end of this show. As you can see, they're all stacked up back there. So it'll be interesting to see how happy people are with the results come tomorrow. So this is where they're judging the colors, and there's some of them that he's going through the process of selecting. So he'll be going through the process of 1, 2, 3 from there. Have a good selection of color canaries here today. We have the white recessives here. This is the one that came in first. Very nice bird. Nice head on it. Nice color. Number 2 bird in the white recessive. And number 3. A little bit slimmer, a little pointier in the front of the face. Number 3. So they point from 93 down to 91 on those birds. So here, let's do this. Seems to be a good selection of the red leprechauns to pick from. As well as a good selection of the yellow leprechauns to pick from. Somebody's happy. There's a chap up here. But he only came out with 88 points. And again, we actually seem to have more yellows than we do the red leprechauns right now. Some nice red mosaics. Nice looking mask on the bird. Then over here we have the melanine birds. These are yet to be judged. Some nice, again, red mosaic agates. Some cobalts that look very dark. One in particular is looking. So these are actually referred to as black whites. Doesn't want to get up, huh? Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Second place green. There's first place red brown. There's the first place red black. Okay, first there in section 22, and first there in section 21. Again, red, blacks, frosted and non-frosted. Very nice looking melanine birds. There's the judge studying them very closely. The one judge, he does the lipochromes. And the other judge is working on the melanine type of birds.
Bad guy. Bad guy.
And these guys are all waiting to be judged yet. Nice looking little bird. So here we have some of the Type Canaries. They're still coming in. They're still being set up. More reds on this side to be looked at yet. Oh no, these are actually the Staffords. There we go. Some variety. These are like a red crested bird. They come either with the crest or without. It seems it can be mosaic. This is more of the harlequin type of coloring, frosted variegated.
That's under a very big premise that I can count.
These are the Staffords that I'm more used to seeing, this sort of color pattern in them. In the intensive reds. Seems to be a very popular bird. They have a decent turnout. They do use the mosaics in it as well. So it'll be interesting to see who comes out as the winner in this lot. As I said, he's still setting up the Type Canaries. So just stay out of their way until they get these all done. We seem to have a good selection of Gloucesters to go through. There you go. That's it for now. Here we have the finalists, best 6. Gloucester came first. Irish Fancy came in second. Scotch Fancy came in third. Norwich came in fourth. Japanese 5th. And the Fife came in 6th.
A los jueces, le estoy dando las gracias que han venido de tan lejos para participar aquí en el show con nosotros y hacer esto va bien una cosa familiar. Aquí todos nos llevamos como familia y queremos así, y queremos que el show crezca más, queremos que más personas vengan y se unan a nosotros, a Javi y a nosotros. Este año wow, really? So everybody who came, he wants to see his vision of watching this show grow, because we're like a family here, and he wants to make sure that it continues into the future. Vamos ahora, estamos pensando de unir el club de Thoroughbred con el South Florida para de alguna forma ponernos más fuertes, para ver un... So basically he's speaking about watching the actual Thoroughbred show in Miami and the actual South Florida bird breeders, kind of combine themselves to become a stronger organization, one that can take our hobby into the future. Esto va a costar un poco trabajo, hay muchas personas que están de acuerdo, hay otras personas que quizás no estén de acuerdo, pero bueno, esto se hace democráticamente. So,
Ho Chi Minh.
so far you're doing good. You're doing good. Yeah, man. So he says that. Then he's saying that some people will agree with the show, with the two clubs becoming one, and people might not agree, but we're going to do this democratically. We're going to have a vote to make sure that everybody's in the same vote. Vamos a tener un voto y que todo el mundo esté de acuerdo. No quiero enforzárselo a nadie. Doesn't want to enforce it on anybody. No quiero. Right now, I only have 2 of the judges here, but I want to present them with a little momentum of our appreciation. Una plaquita para los jueces que han venido para enseñarle la
Okay.
Mr. Jay Bumper. Jay Bumper. I know it's not much, but we appreciate you traveling thousands of miles. I think so many miles. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Ben. members who showed up here and walked me through the processes that you use out here. It was interesting to see a few varieties of birds that I don't normally see that many of, and the quality of the birds was excellent. So I really appreciate you guys having me out here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Un trabajo tremendo. Ninguno de las personas que estuvieron aquí con los paros, staffers, todo el mundo, vaya, contento. Dice que usted ha hecho un trabajo especial. Le agradezco que haya venido.
Thank you. Thank you very much for having me. Anytime you come. So the birds over here was very good, in good shape, a very good quality, nice color. I hope you can improve it and better next time. Thank you.
The other thing that I want to touch on, lo otro que quiero tocar es que nosotros que es corrido por el señor Michael aquí, tenemos que tener el esfuerzo de tratar de ir al show de ellos, ¿okay? Para ayudarlos a ellos, porque de esa manera es como el show va a crecer, vamos a crecer, ya que ellos vienen aquí, nosotros tenemos que ir a ellos.
So,
what Ben was saying is, he wants to talk about your Orlando. He wants to make sure that our membership actually participates in the Orlando Florida Canary Fancy. The same way that they come and participate at our show, we should reciprocate and go to their show and help them out too. That way we both help each other and it's, grow and become stronger for us. Alright, he's going to commence the giving out of the trophy. Están diciendo que no me equivoco. Me está diciendo que no me equivoco. Primero, segundo y tercero. Roberto Pintado.
Sí. ¿No lo ves? Sí.
Un carrito ahí.
El celular de mí, el celular, sí. Mira, va la foto. Sí, eso es mejor que yo no digo fotos.
Cuarto, quinto lugar, el alto 80, que no está aquí. Y sexto lugar, Giovanni Herrera.
Estamos moviendo. Oye, San Pedro nos llama.
no, es que se han entrado sangre nueva. Habla así, cuarto, sexto. Bajo esto.
Segundo y tercero, Vicente Luis.
No, si tiene 50 años.
No tiene la cara todavía ahí.
Sí, tiene 82.
La misma edad,
Sí. Dice que cuando él cruzaba la calle paraba el tráfico.
Hablando bailando,
Y no te va a regalar ningún pajarito por eso, porque la soy una mano.
Maite, ¿dónde está Maite?
Sí, se vio que tiene que
Carlos y Maite, Carlos y Maite. Dale, Carlos. ¿Qué? Carlos. Ya es el segundo año él. Va bien.
¿Qué ganó?
En Iowa, en amarillo Iowa. Le dieron cuarto y quinto en la división. Oye, ¿qué le diste a los jueces? ¿Quieren comprarte a los jueces en la costa? ¿Le diste, lo llevaste a comer en la costa enchilada? ¿Eh? Sí, en uno, voy uno. ¿Quién? No. ¿Por qué no? No, está mal. No, está mal. Yo no le dedico un día a los jueces. ¿Quién? Melánico. Yo cogí en Melánico, quinto lugar que...
No, los otros sí se la ven.
La división 4 fue Gerardo Cheta, primer lugar. Y Carl Rear, segundo lugar. Y Cheta, tercero, cuarto. Y Valdecito, el quinto.
Ahora sí.
Eso se queda para el club.
¿Cómo es? Reciclaje. ¿Ustedes no reciclan?
Claro, yo cojo los trofeos.
No, el año que viene.
El que se lo lleva, si no lo necesita.
Que los trofeos sean
Juan José Rodríguez.
con un pollito
Ronald
arriba.
Sen.
Un pollito arriba.
Congratulations, Pablo.
Second place, Michael.
I will have to draw L'Oreal next to him.
And third place, Dino.
Yay! Woo! I don't have more hands. I can't do it. No, give it to Mike. Oh.
Thank you.
Ask Julio to send it to you. Julio, this is Julio's phone, so I'm taking pictures with him.
Oye, yo sé que no tienes mano, pero acá te doy una mano.
How do you want me? I'll charge at the end.
La división de Stafford la ganó Carl Beers toda. Primero, segundo y tercero en las primeras 3 divisiones. Y se ganó el Best Breed, que ahí se llevó la placa de él. ¿Qué fue el Best Breed de usted?
Jay.
Before I head out, I'd like to say thank you again to you guys. And that admittedly, I got a call from my wife. She told me that the snow has stopped up in our area, and today it's going to be in Fahrenheit 32.
So I'm looking forward to the 16-hour trip on the plane back to the land of ice and snow. Thank you again.
Thank you, Jay. See you on Facebook.
Yeah.